Okay, the next process in finishing the install is to do the calibration itself. We have our known load height indicated by our tie wraps. We know that we're going to come up to the spot to weigh. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set the zero weight pressure. We've got our orange box around 0 psi in this 350. I'm going to lower my boom down. I'm going to come up to my spot. Once I'm there, I'm going to hit enter to record the current pressure for the 0 psi. The next step, we need to get the known psi. To do that, we have to load our test weight into the bucket. So I'll do that right now. So here we're going to just load the material into the bucket evenly, and we're going to make sure that we're going to stay inside the bucket. Now we're going to lower our bucket back down. We're going to come back up to our spot. And we're going to record the known PSI by pressing the enter button. Now, we're going to cycle onto the known weight. For this loader, we've put in 10 50-pound bags of water softener salt. So we're going to go and enter to change plus or minus. So we will hold the left button to decrease until we get to our known weight amount that's in the bucket. 500 pounds. This is the minimum load value you can calibrate the 350 with. So enter. Once we do that, you can see our current weight is 498 pounds. Additionally, in this screen, we can set our units. We can set it to pounds, kilograms, tons, metric tons. We're going to utilize pounds. Next, our resolution. We can do it in 1 pound, 2 pound, 5 pound, 10 pound, 25, 50, 100, 250, 500 pound increments. For this loader, we're going to set it to 5 pound increments. You can see the current weight calculation rounded it down to 495. If I increase that to 10 pounds, it went up to 500. If I go back down to 2 pounds, it went to 496. We're going to leave it at 5 pounds. We're going to return. Our display shows 495 pounds. Now, if I go back down and I come back up to our spot, it settles off right away 500 pounds. Now, if I take one of our bags out, it should drop by 50 pounds. So, I'll show you that right now. We'll remove one bag. Now in the display, you should see a reduction of 50 pounds. And there we have 450. Now, if I take another one out while you stay there, you can see that the load reduced by another 50 pounds. Just to show you that it'll vary. If I put my foot on there, you can see that the more I press down, the more the weight goes up. So as long as you are free suspended with that point at the correct height, your load will be accurate. So guys can use this to do things like fill their bucket from an auger for feeding cattle and things like that.